Hello, year six. I'm back. Okay, our next lesson that we are going to discuss is all about multiples and common multiples. So, our learning objectives: determine or find the common multiples of two numbers or pairs of numbers. You need to create a diagram to show the common multiples of two numbers and solve problems. Okay, what are multiples? Multiples is a number that can be divided exactly by another number, or we say the multiples are all the numbers or the products from our multiplication times table. Okay? So like for example, here we have the times table of 8. All the answers of these questions will be the multiple of 8. Okay, so 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 48, and so on. So the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. So it's like we are skip counting in 8. Correct? So now, these are the first 6 multiples of 8. What are the multiples of two or more numbers that are common to both numbers? We call them common multiples. And the smallest common multiple of two numbers, we call it lowest common multiple or least common multiple. Now, I want you to do this in your notebook because there's no space in your student book, page 79, question 1. Would you mind to write the first 6 multiples of each number? You can pause the video and write the multiples of all these numbers. Okay, are you done? So what are the first 6 multiples of 2? Then six multiple of 3, multiple of 9, multiple of 10, multiple of 6, multiple of 4, multiple of 12, multiples of 5, multiples of 7, and multiples of 8. So all these multiples of all these numbers, they are the first 6 multiples. Okay, I hope you have done it all correctly. Now, how about this? There are 4-digit cards. You have to use only once to create a 2-digit number that is a multiple of 4. So we have the digit cards here, 6, 2, 1, and 4. What do you think are the 2-digit number that are multiples of 4? Can you try? Okay, now check your answer. It will be 12, 16, 24, 64. Did you do it correctly? Very good. Okay. Now, I want you to write the list to write all the first 10 multiples of both 9 and 15. So, what are the first 10 multiples of 9? And the first 10 multiples of 15? Can you write it down, please? Now, check your answer. So, the first 10 multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and 90. Don't forget, keep it in your mind that multiples are infinite. It's an infinite because we are counting, okay? Now, what are the first 10? That's why we are saying first 10 only. First 10 multiples of 15. So here are the multiples of 15. So I hope you did it correctly. Now this time we are going to find the common multiples of 9 and 15, meaning what is common multiples means the multiple that they are have in common or the same. Okay, let's circle them. We have 45 here and we have 45 there. And then 90 and we have also 90. So what are the common multiples of 9 and 15? We have 45 and 90. From the common, what do you think is the lowest common multiple of 9 and 15? Lowest means from, you have to get only from the common. What is this? So yes, 45 is the least common multiple of 9 and 15. Okay, it is very easy. Now let's have another example. Would you mind to list down the first 10 multiples of 8 and 12? You can write it in your notebook. Okay, are you done? Check your answer, please. So here are the first 10 multiples of 8. If you can see, that's why we say first 10. So I have written only 10 multiples of 8. 1, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and 80. If you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's only the first 10 because if I'm not going to write first 10, it will be infinite. Okay? So there are more numbers of multiples of 10. Now, how about 12? Okay, until 120. This time, you're going to find the multiples and lowest common multiple of 8 and 12. What do you think is the common multiple and LCM of 8 and 12? Let's circle it. So we have 24 there. We have also 48 and also 72. Okay, so what are the common multiples of 8 and 12? We have 24, 48, and 72. Now, from the common multiple, what do you think is the lowest common multiple or the LCM? Correct, it's 24. Okay, so the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Okay, this time we are going to use Venn diagram to show the common multiple of 8 and 12 from the previous slide. So the first thing you have to do when you're using the Venn diagram, you have to put first the common of both 8 and 12. Okay? So what are the common? 24, 48, and 72. You have to start from the middle. Okay? So 24, 48, and 72. Then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to write all the numbers or the multiples that are not in common with in the multiple of 8 and also in multiple of 12. So what are the multiples of 8 that is not in 12? So we have 8, 16, 32, 40, 56, 64, and 80. Now let's go to 12. So we have the 12, 36, 60, 84, 96, 100, and 108. Do you understand now? Okay. So if you can see in our Venn diagram, all the common multiples is in the middle where the two circles overlap. Okay, because 24, 48, 72 is also as a multiple of 12 and also a multiple of 8. That's why they are in the middle. Okay, so what do you think is the LCM of 8 and 12? Because the lowest in the common multiple is 24, so the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Okay, now I want you to do this question in your notebook. Okay, can you find only the first three multiples of each of this set of numbers? If you want to write all the multiples before you can find the three common multiples, then it's okay. Now, I'm going to answer only the two. So, what are the multiples of and common multiples of 3? So, I can write it down first. 2, 4, 6, 3, 6. So, I can now circle 6. That's 1 now. Then I can go on 8, 10, 12. I know that in the 3 there is 12. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Yes? So I'll circle now again 12, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Now I'll continue the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. So I will stop now because I already have 3 multiples. First 3 multiples. So the multiples, the first 3 common multiples of 2 and 3 are 6, 12, and 18. So you should not stop writing the multiples until you found the first 3 common multiples of the pair. Okay? So you can do it in your notebook to practice. Okay, let's move to the next one. So you can check now your answer. So 10, 20, 30, and 24, 48, 72. Now, I want you to find the common multiples of between 7 and 9. So if you want, you can write first the multiples of 7 and 9, and then you can put it in the Venn diagram. Okay? You can pause your video, then you can answer. Okay, let's check. Check your answers. So multiples of 7 and multiples of 9. So their common is 63. Then you can write down all the ones that are not common in the multiples of 7, and then in multiples of 9 is here. Okay? Do you have any question? I hope you understand the lesson, and see you next time. Thank you for watching.